Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can create a lead generation funnel without having to sign up for any paid funnel builder. You won't be even asked to put your credit card information in this one, and this is completely for free for life, no trial period, nothing. You will be able to make this entire funnel completely for free. So make sure you watch till the end of this video, because at the end I'm gonna do a giveaway where I will be giving you one of my lead generation funnels that got me more than 96% opt-in rate. Yes, that's true. Watch this video to know how that funnel got 96% plus opt-in rate, but in this one I'm gonna show you live by making it in front of you. So without much ado, let's dive inside of my computer and I'll show you how you can do this. Hey guys, so we are on my computer, and as you can see I have signed up for GrooveFunnels free account. Now before diving in and creating the lead generation funnel, let me walk you through the 4 things that you would need to have before you go out and create the funnel. Okay, so the first thing is a GrooveFunnels account. If you would want to sign up for the free lifetime GrooveFunnels account with no trial period, with no credit card information needed, you can simply go to this site and this link. If you want to support me, I would highly appreciate that. You can just use this link, paste it inside of your browser, and you can create a free GrooveFunnels account which is free for life. Okay, so once you have created the account, and I will be adding this inside of the description section, so go ahead and check it out. And once you have created the account, it will be looking something like this. Okay, so as you sign up, there will be no sites over here, but it will be showing something like this. The second thing you would need to have is a lead magnet. Now make sure that your lead magnet is ready before you start making the funnel. So your lead magnet along with the mockup, make sure they are ready. So for this example, I will be using my free ebook from the lead generation funnel that I had almost 7 to 8 months ago. Okay, and then the next thing is copy. Now as you know, lead generation funnels doesn't have to be full of testimonials. You need to make it short and sweet, so people can simply give their email address and they will be moving on to the next step. Okay, then we will be having a thank you page title. Okay, that's all. There's nothing more you would need to do in this. And then you would have to know the next step that you would want people to take. Okay, so what do I mean by this? For example, once you have collected the email address, what you would want them to do? Check out your new YouTube video, or check out the next product of yours. Let's say you have transitioned your lead generation funnel to your sales funnel. You can even do that over here. So make sure you have known what you would want to do next, people to do next. Okay, so let's dive right in. Since I have got all those things ready, I will be diving in and creating the funnel right now. The first thing is we will be going to GroovePages, and then create new site, and then we will start from blank. Okay, completely from scratch. Let's say free lead generation funnel for you. Okay, so we'll start building. We are gonna start from scratch. Okay, so as you can see, it's completely blank now. So let's go and add some elements right here. Okay, we'll head on to block section, we'll add an element, we'll head on to element section, add a 3 end column right here. We don't want this, so we will go on and delete this. Then over here we will be adding the logo of ours. Okay, so here we go, logo, and on to configure. So it's very simple. As you can see, I have added the logo. We will decrease the size in a minute. So let's change the background. Okay, here it is. Let's add border to this one so that we can distinguish it from the next step. So add the border right here. Let's say we keep it 3 pixels. We will use FFA610. Here we go. We will decrease the size. We'll head on to size section, then go to pixel and decrease the size right here. It's not in the center, so we can add some spacing over here. Here we go. Now it's in the center. Now the headline has been added. Now we will be just duplicating this, and then we will be deleting this whole section. As we want to add a text over here, so we'll head on to over here, we'll add a text. We'll change the text color from here. We'll head on to this, we'll change it to white. Then we'll head on to the text section. Here it is, we already have the text, so we will copy this. Paste it right here, we'll center align it. Now we will be adding the elements for our the image along with the order form. So we will head on to image. We'll bring in an image right here, then we'll head on to configure. So now we will click on update, and this ebook mockup will be added over here. The next thing that we would want to do is we will be adding our cart over here, like the place where we will be accepting the email addresses and all. So we will head on to block section, and we will head on to forms. Then we will simply add a block over here for the form section in order for us to get the form. Okay, now let me quickly show you what the form is. Okay, this one. We actually just want this small box right over here. Okay, we don't want the full section. We will be just want to drag and drop this section to our own. Okay, right here. So when we click on this, we will be able to configure the integration from here. Okay, so we will be deleting this one. We don't want it. We just want our heading. Where do we deliver this free ebook? And we will be decreasing the size of the font right like this, and then we will be duplicating this. We'll duplicate this, we will take this down like this, and over here we will be adding the second text, which is "You will never get spammed, we protect your privacy." This actually builds up the trust, so we will be adding it right here. We'll decrease the size, we'll give it some space, and we are done. So we will delete this section, we don't want it. We will change the background. We can also have our own background over here, so we will be adding the background. I will choose this one, we'll select this, and the background will be changing up. So now as you can see, the background is added. Now over here the background was black. We will remove the background by clicking on this button. Okay, so it's done. Now we would want to add a background to this form itself so that it doesn't look that bad. We will head on to background, we will add a black background over here, and then we will have a border right here. We will head on to border, we'll have 3-inch border, we will have it dashed. Okay, just like this. We will give it some space from the top, and here we go. We'll do the same over here. We will have some space so that it aligns at the center with the ebook. We'll change the button over here. We will change it to send me my free ebook. Right here, we'll click on update. If you would want to change the design as well, we can do that right here. Let's say I want this one. Okay, this looks good. We'll click on save. The last thing we would need to do in this lead generation funnel opt-in page is that we will be adding a footer. So we'll head on to blocks, we will head on to footer. I already have got my own footer over here, so I will just drag it and drop it here. So footer is basically for copyright purposes. Now as you can see, I have my copyright over here, so all rights reserved, Chrysinus by Digimus. Okay, so space within this. Okay, we'll decrease the space from here. That's all. This is the funnel, this is the lead generation opt-in page that got me 96% opt-in rate. Now the next page we would want to build is the thank you page. So we quickly go on to pages, we'll add one and we will go to the thank you page. We'll start from the blank one, then we'll head on to the block section. We will add a new block, alert bar. Again we will do the same thing. Another thing you can do over here is head on to home, click over here, then head on to the star section, alert bars. You will be creating your own block, so create block. This will save you time for when you are working on GrooveFunnels. So instead of having and doing all of this thing again, you can simply head on to block section, create and go to alert bars, add your own block over here. You see how simple it is, right? So the next step is adding the title. So we'll just paste it again. We will remove the background, so no background, no borders, and then we will remove this whole section. So delete it. I'm sorry, we can also undo it over here, so no issues. We will head on and delete this section. We will add a new section, of course, over here. This will be for our headline. We will add a new headline right here. This headline says this: your free ebook has been sent to your email. Then we will head on to GrooveFunnels again. We will paste it, change the text color and font. We can also change the font, so we can also change the weight of the font. Okay, and then we will center line it, change the color, and that's done. The next thing is we will be adding a video over here for our thank you page video. So we will head on to element section. We will add and select a video player right here. Add the video player over here. If you would want to add a YouTube video, you can configure it, change it to YouTube, add your YouTube ID over here. Okay, click on update and that's done. Then we would want them to connect to us on Instagram, so we will be adding an email address, a button right below this thing. We will be adding subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, and we would want people to go head on to our YouTube channel. We will give it some space from the top so that it has some space. Yes, right there. If you would want to give a border to this video, you can give it the border over here, change the width to 2, change the color to white, and here we go. Let me quickly add a button over here so that people can head on to my YouTube channel. So we will head on to solid button. We will paste it right here. This will be take me to your YouTube channel, Okay, over here we will link to URL, and we will paste our URL over here. So I'll head on to my YouTube channel, this, go to your channel, and this is my link. So we'll copy it, we'll paste the link right here, open a new tab. No, we'll open it in the same tab. So then we will be going and changing the design of this background. We will change the background to this color, and they will to this color, a bit of red, and then we will change the text. We will increase the size of the text. Let's check the weight, let it be semi-bold. Then we will want it to be center aligned. We want to give the button the full length. We will give it some space from the top, and done. Okay, so this will be taking people to our YouTube channel. We can also add some animations over here. Let's say we'll have a bounce animation. Click on save, and then over here we will give some space in the bottom. So we'll add some space here, as you can see. Then the last step is we will be adding our footer. So we'll head on to footers, add our footer right here. Okay, so we'll move it to down, and here we go. This is our footer. We will be giving it a border so that it distinguishes from the from our page. Background, let's change it to black. Okay, so done. Now we will be changing the background for this one. We will use the same background we used in the previous one. Okay, so done. We'll change it to transparent, and here we go. The whole lead generation funnel is ready. Now let's test it quickly. We'll head on to home, then we will hit on this eye icon to see if it's how it's looking up in the live section. So here we go, we have our lead generation funnel live and up. Okay, simple and sober. This will this simply says that this free ebook reveals how you can get paid doing what you love to do without having to learn any profitable skills, while just doing what makes you happy. Okay, so now as soon as I click on this one, we'll be typing in the name and email address. We'll click on send me my free ebook. We will be heading on to the second page, which is this. The thank you page will be looking something like this. Okay, so this is, now we can simply change the name of the whole page. We will convert this one to opt-in page. Okay, as is, this is an opt-in page, and the second one is our thank you page. So we will change it to thank you page. Okay, so it was that easy to make this entire funnel. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this. So as you saw, it was very simple to make this entire funnel. It is really easy. Do not complicate the whole stuff. But here's the giveaway that I wanted to give. I will be giving you the entire lead generation funnel that I just made. This was proved to have more than 96% opt-in rate, and I have also made a complete video on what are the 5 things that you would need to keep in mind while getting an amazing lead generation funnel right in this video. So go ahead and watch this video in order to know the step-by-step guide of what are the different things you would need to notice. However, right now in this giveaway, I'm gonna give you this entire funnel completely for free, but here are the few things that you would need to do. First thing is like this video, please. It really helps the algorithm to push this video to other viewers who really need to see this. And the second thing you would need to do is subscribe to my channel, and then put a genuine comment inside of this video. Whatever you learned, what's the one thing that you learned, or if you would like to add anything inside of the comment section, you can do that. Okay, if you would want to give away another funnel of yours or another template that you have already made, please add this inside of the comment section. We would love to take your funnels as well. So go ahead and put it in the comment section. And then last step would be hit me up on Instagram saying you're done with all the steps. and then I will be sending you the link that you can simply paste inside of your browser, and the entire funnel will be added to your GrooveFunnels account. So what are you waiting for? Just complete all of these steps and hit me up on Instagram, and I will be seeing you there. So having said that, this will be all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like this video. Okay, so that will be all, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay home, and keep creating for a change.